Hey, how you guys doing? This is Levi and Wayne. We're gonna go ahead and play a match, or at least one game maybe. We'll see how we feel after one game of the two decks we took to the tournament. And then we'll probably record some games after that with some other decks. Wayne's a cheater, so these are nice team mats. Wayne can say hi. Hi, roll.
Hey guys.
I rolled 12.
He rolled 12. I rolled a 5. I will be going first. So, yeah, we're playing Storm and Blizzard.
Blizzard. Ooh.
Are the two kind of deck archetypes, themes.
It's just based off colors.
Want to do it?
I just based the title, the names of the decks off colors.
So he's Water, Wind.
So I just named it Blizzard, and then he's Lightning Wind, so I just named it Storm. But
you'll see for this, at least you'll probably see a lot of cards from both decks.
We both did profiles on both these decks. His is the same. Mine has like a 4-card change to it because of the event that we're holding here in Columbus in a couple weeks. We changed a few things on the ban list, and so I already changed my deck, but Wayne's been busy, hasn't changed his. So he automatically loses because, you know,
it's illegal.
His deck's illegal.
Don't worry, old decks aren't illegal until the start of our event.
He's gonna drop 5 KNS on me because he's a cheater. I'm gonna deck check him though. He's gonna deck check to make sure how many Chidori streams I have in my deck.
Yeah.
Since I always get it.
Always the hand. So hopefully you'll see some decent gameplay. Me beating Levi basically.
Yeah, Wayne will probably beat me. He always does. Psych.
Well, feel free to cut. I'll go second.
I will keep.
I'll keep also.
You guys like the spice, bro. Spice. Good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Go for it.
Alright, good.
You want to see my first one? I'll go ahead and Toby. Draw 2. I will discard 1. Ooh. Discarding Hataru. Now I'll give you a little hint of my hand here, so we'll see. I'll play Kashina, Eternal Bond, and then good. Move 2.
It's nice to see that's gone.
And then go ahead.
Yep. You sure you want to swing?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Draw. Let's go. Keto. Organize.
Yep.
Swing 5.
I'll give you 1, 2.
Good.
Draw.
Mm-hmm.
Naruto clone.
Good. So what he has right now is something really dirty. It's called a turn 1 Rasengan user and Rasengan in hand with 3 chakra. Yeah. Apparently he didn't get this off at the tournament.
What a whiff.
In Portage. But oh, well then he has fucking platoon in hand.
I have platoon in hand.
Alright.
It could be in my battle rewards.
Oh well. Whatever. Normally he'll go, his best play is
Am
this.
I good?
Yeah.
Are you gonna like it?
Yeah, platoon in hand, okay. He'll play this, turn 0, get 2 chakra, play this, turn 1, search for this, platoon it, this goes to chakra, he has 3, get Rasengan user and Rasengan in hand, turn 1.
And if it's in hand, I just grab my other Rasengan user, so.
Yeah, so.
Turn 2, I'll have 2 Rasengan users.
He's nice and set up, but it's cool, it's cool. It's alright, I like to give out free BRs to make my opponent think that they have a chance.
It's true.
And then I Chidori Stream and Hydro Pump from you.
Charge Karen. Go ahead and organize. And swing 5.
Oh, no blocks.
Go ahead.
Wayne is an asshole, in case you guys didn't know.
Only when I need to be. And let me tell you, if you ever get a chance to play against Levi, that is the time to be an asshole. Go ahead.
Target keto.
Keto's 2.
Keto is 2. What should I get?
KNS.
The choices right now, dude. Do I want my turn 2 play? Do I want a 0?
Soccer book smarts.
Draw. Good.
Yep.
And then let's go. Perfect.
How many cards in hand?
6.
Comp.
3.
So we did notice there. I mean, just a note.
Yeah.
Comp ticks down at the start of my turn, not at the start of his turn.
Just because you comp something, just because you comp your opponent's ninja, doesn't mean that they're the controller of comp. You're still the controller of comp. So, like, it still ticks down your turn. We're just saying that because at the Portage event in Indiana, the Humming events tournament in Indiana, they ruled it that comp ticks down on your opponent's turn because they're the controller of the card, and that is incorrect. Organize.
Good.
Good.
You're not gonna swing? I'll take down. I'll go ahead and play KNS.
Yeah, of course. Good.
Reveal. Shikamaru's decision.
Yep. You have decision.
I'll play Shikamaru's decision.
Oh, cool.
Cool. Wow. We'll grab. Do I want 3 Rasengan users?
That seems like overkill.
Cool. Yeah, it is. It absolutely is.
You grab
Shion? Just kidding.
Oh, that's like. That'd be pretty good.
Could grab Kurenai.
You could grab Kurenai. You're going second. It's not bad.
Sai, though, catches me up.
Sai does catch you up.
Does give him time.
Actually puts you ahead.
Well, yeah. Assuming you don't comp it.
No, we'll see.
We'll see. What's their power at?
7.
7. Swing 2 teams.
No blocks.
No blocks. He's given me 3.
Good.
Yep. Going up to turn 3. And you're good to go.
You're at 5. Draw.
I will say, don't. Even though he's given up quite a few rewards, something I don't know if at least I notice it. People are sometimes kind of afraid to give up rewards. It's a resource.
Good.
So feel free to manage it that way. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh. There's some obvious choices.
Well, that is exactly the card that he wants to be discarding. That.
There's some pretty good choices.
that was.
Let's do. Interesting. Playing this nice Jugo. This is a new addition I just added. Used to be a KNS, but you know.
The other thing he added
KNS.
is that you'll note the second book smarts.
Yeah, I only had 1 before. Now I have 2. Organize.
Go ahead. Is he during EOJ?
Who?
His activation? Oh no, it has to be mission. Yeah.
But it's a turn 5 anyway. So his reinforcement. Good.
I'll draw all for turn. Sai.
Good.
I'll pay 2. Cop.
Good.
Nope. All right. Going up to turn 4 and growthing Sai. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in the neighborhood. We'll play Anko's Memory. Recurring this. And this. And then it doesn't really matter because I'm going to put it whatever back.
What did you get?
I got Sugimara's Decision back, and then Water Style.
Alright.
Water Dragon Jutsu back. And paid those 2.
This is gone.
Yep. Ooh. And I'll get this back to him too.
Ooh, that's a cheat. You guys see him cheat?
Okay. Technically that goes back there at the beginning of my turn.
Yeah, but he missed it.
Kids. Okay, and now organize in 2 teams. Swing both. Interesting. Are you gonna give me 4?
I don't want to. I don't want to. Yeah, I will.
Alright.
Not blocking anything, bro. Alright, dude, you're at 9.
Going to turn 5.
My turn? Oh, shit, I want to get 4 now. I can't do Heon. Hold on. You got Wonder Singon that I'm gonna have to get through. What's this?
8.
What's this?
5. You're blocking here?
Nope.
No blocks there.
Right here.
Is Jugo valid?
No. Yes.
Pay 3 for Singon.
Good.
Yep.
You 4. Alright. Draw.
Yeah.
Oh, finally. Jesus.
Going up to turn 5.
Yep. Finally got something, guys. Finally start cooking with some bacon now. You guys think I can get my 1 lucky draw? Is it worth it?
Could be. Very well could be. I will say this highlights right now is the phase where our 2 decks start to turn. Mine doesn't play as well.
Sakura.
Late game, go ahead.
Draw 3.
Yep. Doesn't play as well in the late game, where his plays much better in the late game. So we're kind of moving in between those 2 phases currently, and you'll kind of see that exchange of what goes on right now versus before. So it's not uncommon for me to get quite a few rewards and then lose. So
Tags?
yep.
You gonna give me that, dude? That's nice of you.
Well, you can't play it this turn, so.
Some good cards in here, though, dude. I don't know. Let's get. Pretty decent stuff in here still.
There's some pretty decent stuff in this fat boy right here too.
Must be nice not to have a fifth year deck as battle rewards.
Wow. Well, there is some negatives to giving up some battle rewards.
It's alright.
Too early.
Not really. I had everything I needed in there still. Just have to hit it. Regular charge.
You're going down to, you have 7 cards in hand.
I do have 7. I'm not gonna charge anything. Reinforced keto.
Yep.
You guys ready to see a nice busted squad? And keto 3-2.
Top.
And real nice you.
I do want to point out that Keto State 2 now has mastery. And with the number of chakra he has on the field, I don't feel comfortable letting him have mastery.
But I kind of want mastery. Quite a bit, actually.
He does have friendship.
Yeah, I'm activate friendship.
He is.
Yeah. And we'll be paying that.
Discard, right?
Yeah, it's going to get discarded.
Okay.
And this. Activate keto. Discard. Trigger this.
Go ahead.
Okay, draw. Choose a ninja.
Naruto.
Can't be sent out.
Okay.
Charge. Organize.
Yep. It's only this turn, correct?
Yeah. Until I do it again next turn.
During my turn?
I could.
Yeah. How many cards in you?
6.
6. Okay.
Good.
Draw for turn. Interesting.
Let's see if we can survive one turn, guys.
Interesting. I'm not actually sure what that. Target KNS.
Typical.
Sakura, I think. Yeah, I think I have to go into Sakura.
We can get Shion. Saber and Comp hurt that quite a bit, don't they? Saber and Comp kind of throwing little knots in that plan, huh?
Into the Shion?
Yeah. Kind of a waste.
Could be.
Could be. Just maybe. I don't know, you've seen 0 of them? Interesting.
You've also gotten rid of a 5th year deck.
Yep. I didn't need that. I didn't need
Draw
this.
off of Shikamaru, Growth, KNS.
Mm-hmm.
Good. For Sengon to hand. Play Sakura. Good.
Good.
Draw. Squad.
Pay for it.
Well, once I get it, I'll pay for it. But, okay, I'll pay for it. Don't organize yet. Oh, draw off of Naruto's effect. Draw and charge. Both my Tamari's charged. Okay.
End your measure phase. Activate Keto. Trigger. Choose a ninja.
Naruto.
Okay. Draw. Can't be sent out.
Okay. It's not effective.
No, it's fine. Can you even target them?
There's nothing saying you can't target it, right? You notice we start getting a little bit more silent as we start getting a little more serious.
That's fine. Good.
But it's telling your opponent to target it, correct?
Your opponent selects one,
Okay.
and then you apply the effect. I don't know. Good. I don't know about that.
Swing both.
Because that means that this can protect any Leaf Ninja.
Well, that's what it does say that though. That was that point of the whole point of that the Sasuke ruling.
Swing both.
Yep.
Let's go.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Like basically.
Yeah,
makes
yeah.
this
Well,
card.
I think it does mean that though. Is that it would be interesting because
Because you could infinitely choose something.
we'll
else.
have to ask about that ruling, or go ahead and comment below and see what your opinion is on that ruling. So what I'll kind of say what we're doing is he activates Kitamaru. I have the Naruto Sakura. I said target Naruto Sakura and say they can't be sent out to battle, or that this is, and he declares what it is. But this is unaffected by your opponent's ninjas and missions. Therefore, he discarded a card for nothing.
The argument would be KNS is busted because you could infinitely choose any Leaf Ninja in its team to just null this effect every time. So.
Which go ahead and let us know. So.
What is this? 7?
7.
What is that?
8. 9.
9. Which one's 7?
7. 9. So you're sending out 3. Sending out 2.
3. This effect.
3.
And like that. Let's see if you got the nuts. Of course, they're gonna get injured.
Go ahead.
Drop.
Yep. Going up to 6. I'm going to go ahead and activate her effect.
Good.
So I'm going to draw 3.
Good.
Yep.
Target Sakura.
By the way, if you're not playing this Naruto Sakura squad,
Probably should.
you probably should.
It's pretty good.
Doing a little low on
Draw.
cards there. Yeah.
Squad. Handcuffs. Your copy? No.
Nah.
Pay 3. Activate his effect.
Okay. Going into state 2, Jugo.
Should I go for my that's over here. Oh, he's somewhere. Damari?
Yep.
Platoon?
Yep.
Effect.
What does he do?
When it's put in play, either I look at your hand, discard a card, or you can negate it by discarding 2.
It's tempting to discard 2. Discarding Kentaru and 4th Akage.
Interesting. Cards in?
5.
5?
Yep.
How'd you end your turn with 7 cards?
End of my turn with 5 cards. Or 4 cards. Drew into 3.
Yes. Organize.
Yep.
Nine and 7.
This effect goes off for anything.
Not to activate it.
Well, no, but
It's whenever wins a victory.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, victory, but battle reward is not considered
No.
victory. Okay. This doesn't have any active effect, correct?
No, neither of these do. This isn't valid. Swing.
Does this have mastery?
No.
Okay.
Swing 3.
Block there.
Both or just the one?
Both there.
This is
9.
target this and target this.
Pay 3. Sun gun. Target this. Pay 1.
Oh. Okay.
Shows this. Draw 2.
Injure it. Rasengan's discarded.
Why is Rasengan discarded?
This.
Oh, first is punching. Okay.
It's injured, but
And then these 2. Oh, yeah.
it was KNS.
Yeah. Oh, Canis.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Take to hand.
Actually, did you go?
Okay. That's only when it wins a victory. Where does it do? Discard it or send it to Chakra?
I guess it's not gonna matter. This is gonna die. That was a back ninja, so.
Yeah.
Discard.
Well, this won't die, right?
It's going to Jugo. Yeah, it's gonna discard.
Well, that's what. Okay,
Yeah,
discard it. Okay, that's fine.
That's it.
And this is injured, right?
It's 5.
Yeah.
Then yeah, it's just injured.
So this is still on it. Yeah. Okay. Good.
All right, good. I think you did it in the wrong order.
Wrong way.
Yeah. But cool.
Hey,
All right.
drop.
Yeah, good.
Canis.
Good.
Reveal. Hydro Pump.
That would have been nice to have.
Would have been. Oh, annoying is what this is. What's 7, 7?
7, 7, 5.
So this is 4. That would be 7. There's 7.
Are you moving to organize?
Organize, yes.
What'd you reveal off this?
Hydro Pump.
Hydro Pump. And you have 3 other cards in hand?
Yep. So this will be near the end of my mission phase, correct?
I'll activate this. Oops. I'll activate this.
Yep.
Draw 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Swing.
Okay.
5, 7. This is 4. How many cards in the hand?
5.
5. Go ahead.
Keto. Good.
No.
No. Okay.
Pay 2. Targeting keto.
What is that?
9, 1 cent. 4, 7, 10. So it's gone.
Good.
Yep.
Toby.
Belting.
And we'll discard that. Amy.
Get rid of reanimation.
Yeah. It's not a good choice. Sounds good.
Good. Do you have it?
Oh, I do have it in hand.
Okay. Like I said, he always has this in hand, so.
I know, I didn't find it in my deck. Pooh. Darnations. Them damn critters. Your highest is a 4.
Yeah.
Do I bust out the new squad, dude?
The Naruto, the Sakura Sasuke squad?
I could.
I think you do, right?
I mean, board wipe you. But they board wipe me too. Nah, I'm not going to, I don't think.
Oh, it would board wipe you.
It would board wipe me.
No, I don't think you need to.
I don't think so. Yeah. Swing.
Black hair. Okay. Get 4 battle rewards.
Yep.
Nope.
Good.
That's 5. You're at 6. Good?
Yep.
7, so draw.
You draw me nuts.
We'll do Sigmar's Decision.
Oh, for the nuts.
Shion. Think. Good. I'll draw off this. Does that work? Heat on.
Oh.
Going into Heat on squad.
Oh my god.
Damn! Oh, damn, dude. Yeah, dude.
Oh
With that Shion,
God.
bruh. And I'm gonna take 2, give him a damage, give us a battle reward, and win the game! That's actually, that exact card is what lost Levi twice.
I want everybody to know that in my last tournament, I went undefeated completely. 2-0'd everybody except for 2 games. One was the finals, and then the other one was the same guy I played in finals.
He also lost against me.
No, yeah, not really. Whatever.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
didn't
no,
play.
no. In the first on our second round, he had a
Anyway,
second match
my,
loss to me.
My
Second
2
game loss.
losses were to that exact card. That same fucking card. Anyway, well, hope you guys enjoyed that game. That was pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it off. We'll probably record another. Thanks for watching.